Hey family, happy Motivational Monday to you. It's July 20th as I am making this video, and I wanted to wish you a happy Motivational Monday. And if this is your first time ever coming to the page, my name is Pauline, and I always like to tell you how young I am. I'm 73 years young. And I always like to tell people that because many times people just give up on themselves when they reach a certain age. Would you believe that folk in their 40s or even in their 30s, they think that they are old? No, 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 no. We have to get rid of that train of thought because it is not true. Excuse me, I'm going to put on my sunglasses. It's really sunny out here, and that's a good thing. It's a beautiful day in New York City. It's so pretty you can get out and take a walk because we don't have to worry about that fire in Canada and the smoke coming into the city the way it did last week. So I can get out here and do my jogging and do my sprinting. And I did do that. But I said, well, since you got a couple more minutes, girl, get on YouTube. Wish everybody a happy motivational Monday and let them know that they should not put themselves in a cage because of their age. Let them know that they should dig into their potential because they still got a lot of it in them. Oh, yes, you do. You got a lot of potential in you. And you know what I want you to do as I'm thinking, this was off the cuff. I said, well, just let me set up the iPod and just start talking to you on this motivational Monday and wish you the most phenomenal day and week ever. But I wanted to drop a couple of pearls in your spirit as well. And one pearl that I want to drop into your spirit is I want you to guard your language. I always talk about this. I want you to be very careful how you talk to yourself, how you talk about yourself. Things like, oh, how foolish of me. How could I forget that? No, 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 no. Oh, how stupid of I am. Oh, I must be getting old because I'm so forgetful. No, we're going to guard our language as of this day. We're going to guard our language. Certain things I have to pull off my glasses so I can really get this in your spirit. I want you to guard your language like you guard your bank account. Did you hear what I said? You know how you're always checking your checking account and your savings account in the morning, or maybe even your stock account, excuse me. I want you to guard your language the way you guard your bank account. Be very, very careful how you talk to yourself. And if this is the first time that you've ever heard of this before, I want you to put that in your spirit. I want you to use that as your mantra this week. When words of limitation, words of doubt pop into your spirit, I want you to say to yourself, oh no, I'm not going to have it that way. I'm going to guard my language. Look at that precious little baby back there. Look at him. I'm going to guard my language like I guard my bank account. Oh, yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to do. So, in the comments, I want you to write down below because this is a community of positive individuals and we help one another. I want you to write down below what you are going to fix this week when it comes to self doubt. Write it down below. So, all of us, because the thing about it is, in this culture, you would think that you're the only one with the struggles. You are the only one with the self doubts, but you are not. So in the comment box, write down what you are struggling with and what you are going to turn around when it comes to your self talk. Maybe you can say to yourself, I'm going to be as innocent as a little child. I'm going to be as innocent as a little child, and I'm going to explore this life, and I'm going to be adventurous, and I'm going to play in this life and enjoy it. Because, ladies and gentlemen, whether you realize it or not, this life is very, very short. Your girl is 73 years young, getting ready to be 74 in a matter of weeks. 74. And I cannot believe how quickly the time went by. I just can't believe it. So I want you to be like a child this week. I want you to be playful this week. I want you to be cognizant of the words that you speak to yourself. In addition to that, the weather is beautiful on the East Coast. I want you to get out and move your body. I want you to get out and I want you to move your body and I want you to exercise. And I don't want you to concern yourself with who is looking at you, who is watching you. Disregard all of this. Do what you have to do. If you see a park bench, get on the park bench and start doing mountain climbers. Use the park bench to do mountain climbers, raise your heart rate up, tackle that lower body fat that you want to get rid of, and just become the best version of you. No matter what your age, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to keep getting after it. And I don't want you to concern yourself with with what people are saying when they're watching you. You just get after it. I want you to be different. This is a word for you on a motivational Monday. I want you to be different. Be different than your contemporaries in your 50s. Be different than your contemporaries in your 60s, in your 70s, in your 80s, in your 90s, because the majority of them are just sitting and not moving their bodies. They are just sitting, they are just watching, they are just gossiping. But as of today, as of this week, say to yourself, hey, I'm going to be a superstar in my age bracket. I'm going to be a superstar and I'm going to get out and do what's best for me. And I'm going to get out and be a positive example for those who are watching me and for people who I don't even know. How are you going to be a positive example? By moving your body, by moving your body, by changing the way you think. There are, I know there are at least 100 people right now. I live in an apartment complex and I'm outside. I just finished my walking and my exercise in the morning. But I know that there are at least 100 people right now looking at me outside of their window. And they say, oh, look at that girl. Look at her. What is she doing? She's out here trying to inspire folk that she don't even know. That's what I'm doing. And that's what I want you to do too. I want you to inspire people. I want you to encourage people by your actions, by the way you are living your life. This video was unexpected. It's just such a beautiful day. So I said, well, just let me come out here. And after I finish my, my morning workout outside, running and jogging and whatnot, let me just turn the camera on and let you know that you have more potential in you than you have dug into. I don't want you to make your age your cage. I want you to make your age your trophy. I want you to keep on getting after it. I want you to lead your life. I don't want you to accept it. I don't want you to accept that, oh, I'm over the age of 50, I'm over the age of 60. So what? Lead your life. Don't accept it. Oh, I just got this diagnosis this past week that, I have to change my diet, that I have to eat foods that are low in potassium, and I have to watch my sugar intake. Okay, do it. Lead your life. Don't accept it. Make your life, lead your life towards goals, goals that are going to improve it. Losing weight, changing your lifestyle, eating clean. Lead your life. Don't accept it. All right. One more story I wanted to tell you before I close. I live, as I said earlier, in an apartment complex, and I know this gentleman who lives in my building too. And he said, although I live on the second floor, I'm going to take the elevator. Lead your life. Don't accept it. Walk up the steps. Any exercise tools that you have at your disposal, use them. Stairs, a park bench, even a swing. A swing. Now, you don't have to get crazy like I've gotten crazy right here, but lead your life. Accept it. Be different. Be unique, whatever your age bracket is. All right? Take good care. Be well. Stay blessed. Happy Motivational Monday to you. And God willing, I'll see you soon. Take good care now. Bye bye.